Okay, look, don't Miss Whoopee Cushion and Mr. Burrito sound a lot alike. And 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, Whoopee Cushion, start talking.
Hello, woophicushin here, also known as Brayden. Since I was at and we've got a few cool things that we would like to share with you guys. And
Okay, that's Whoopee Cushion talking.
now I think.
Okay, Whoopee Cushion, quit talking. And do not kill me. Okay. Mr. Burrito, start talking.
Yo guys, Mr. Brayden here, slash Mr. Burrito or Kale, and just want to welcome you to this video. How's your day going? Please leave a like in the description, and just wanted to say, have an awesome video. Please like this.
Okay, you stop talking.